Okay guys, so now what we got here is I have an outline of how I want my vector art to look. So I'm using Illustrator right now, and right now I'm just trying to make sure that the outline for this is clean and that there's no space left open, so when I throw in the colors it doesn't like hop out, it doesn't create a problem. Putting the shines on for the glasses. It's really tricky to do this explaining thing. I don't know how people really, it's probably why nobody really does it that much. Yo, props out, shout out to Chi World. Chi World's been killing it, man. I don't know how you do it, man, but you really be explaining the hell out of it. And now that I'm actually doing it, sitting down and trying to do it, it's very tricky. That's probably why a bunch of other people just put the video up of just a speed art video mainly. Let me just try to describe what I'm using over here. Using the 3-point brush tool, and I'm having it on like 2-stroke. I wish I could see the whole screen of this. Actually, it's weird. Damn. Just got the whole screen. Maybe I can move it. Yeah, maybe. Let's mess around with that one. Alright, so I'm gonna just let the rest of this video just keep playing like a speed art thing. Alright, so enjoy till I hop back in on this again. Don't know why I said that. Bye. Alright, I'm back on this. I figure to make it more, at least entertaining, at least make it more educational, bring more value. Like, dude, who are you drawing? Okay, this is, I don't wanna say his name wrong, but his name on Instagram is Omar the Rockstar. Let me just make sure I get it. Omar _ the Rockstar, and his name is Omar. I butchered that one. I'm so sorry, bro. I'm gonna leave the name is gonna be spelled out. So he did an interview here with let me check, Chris Cavallini. Yeah, I'm so bad at this name stuff. Now I'm understanding when they be on pressure trying to say people's names, man. They be butchering it. Yo, that's what it is. That's wild. Yeah, this dude is huge, man. That's fucking wild. Huge. Tatted up. So what I did was I put the tattoos and the beard in a different layer, and I had the outline in a different layer because it works easier for me. That's how I like to work. Right now I'm gonna select the whole thing, and I'm going to go on object, expand appearance. Shout out to Chi World. Then the whole thing is selected. Go to the Pathfinder tool, click merge. Now all your lines is merged together. Leave no openings so you could toss the colors in, as I said. Then I made a copy of the layer, lock the top layer, go in the square box tool on the left, grab a skin tone color. Alright, boom, right by the yellow and red and the brownish areas to go into the pinkish areas, you feel me? And then boom, you see, I made that box. Bow, put that shit on top of it. Boom, like arrange, center back, and then I take the mouse tool, select the whole thing, and then I click on merge. By the way, this is my second time recording this, but the second time is way better than the first time. And now that I merged it by sending it to the back, I can double click and isolate and then delete, like double click on the picture and then delete the background color and keep the inside colors. And now I can just start tweaking the colors, changing them to what I want the colors to be. And I'm gonna try out this gray. I'm not feeling it. I want to go a little darker. Feeling that one. I'm like, alright, bet. My computer, I don't know if you could really hear it. This dude has been working, bro. We've been working since last night. I don't know where I got this like hustle bee fever or some shit. I just want to keep drawing. Yeah. So Now I colored Omar's jacket. Matter of fact, I fell off the whole topic. I was explaining this. I'm gonna get back to this in a second. So now I colored Omar's jacket. Matter of fact, yeah, this is the coloring, so don't even worry about it. So Omar, dude, he does one of the dopest interviews I've ever seen. And they're like 2 hours, some of them, and they're so dope. Like it's so, like, I'll be taking breaks, like, to watch like an hour, and then I'll take a break and I'll watch the next hour. But I have to get it done, bro. It's like a book. His interviews is like a book, and it's cool that the people that he interviews and how they answer questions, it's not super interviewy, like it's more chill, and it makes, like, for somebody like me watching it, feel like I kind of got to know these people. So, like, I can't surround myself with them, but I can surround myself with their information that they throw out there. So that kind of helps. Over here, to get this little watch color, I did a little gradient tool from the swatch library on the right corner. It looks like a stack of books. You can go back and pause it and look at it. Alright, so yeah, he does all these interviews. His YouTube channel is The Passionate Few, and go check him out. Leave a link in the description. And what else? Boom, that. Yeah, dope interviews. Go check them out. I think that's about it. Yeah. One was pretty dope that I recently cried on. The lady that wrote what was the book? The Secret? Yeah. Oh, just letting y'all know who I was watching. Check out my Instagram page so you can get to know me a little bit more. Comment, subscribe, and I'm also a real estate salesperson. So if you guys, are in New York, somebody is wanting to, if you know someone, or if you yourself are thinking about either selling or buying, you can holler at your boy and I can take care of y'all. Alright, now I'm doing the shadows over here. What I'm using is the pencil tool to create the outline, and then I'm gonna throw in the color of black and then lower the opacity for it, so it creates a nice little shadowy color. But although for the skin I'm using a little darker version, so what I did was I would do the fill, but where I would get the closest color would be, I would use the eyedropper tool, and then I would suck up that color, that's the skin color, and move it a shade darker and stick with that one. Yeah, honestly, for me, doing noses and stuff is wild tricky too at times, but you power through them, man. You just gotta keep practicing. Boom. Even if I said this earlier, because I don't remember, comment, subscribe, follow my Instagram account, show some love, share this, let people know. Please help me, tell me what I should do that would be more entertaining. Okay, I'm trying to better myself. Alright? Okay, y'all. Y'all have a good day. I love y'all. Take it easy. Ayamoño.